Solids are everywhere, from the gemstones in jewelry to the metals in the machines and even the salt on your food. But have you ever wondered what makes a solid solid? What makes its strength, shape, or even shine? So we will explore the microscopic world of solids, their types, structures, and properties of that shape our everyday world. So, what is the solid state? Solid state is one of the three basic states of matter where particles are tightly packed in a fixed, orderly arrangement. Solids have a definite shape and volume, strong intermolecular forces, and very low compressibility. Unlike liquids or gases, the particles in a solid mostly vibrate in place. Solids can be classified into two types: crystalline solids, which have a regular repeating pattern and a shape melting point like salt or diamond. Amorphous solids, which lack a definite structure and melt over a range of temperature like glass or plastic. So now let's see types of crystalline solids. Crystalline solids are further classified into four main types. Ionic solids made of charged ions like Na plus and Cl minus. Molecular solids formed by molecules held by weak forces like ice. Covalent or network solids, where atoms are bonded in a strong, rigid network like in a diamond. Metallic solids, with metals atoms in a sea of electrons, giving rise to properties like conductivity and malleability. Crystal lattice and unit cells. Crystalline solids are made of repeating units called unit cells, which stay together to form a crystalline lattice. There are three main types of cubic unit cells: simple cubic, body-centered cubic, which is known as BBC, and face-centered cubic, FCC. These arrangements define the density and stability of a solid. Packing in solids. In solids, atoms are packed to use space efficiently. Hexagonal close packed HCP and cubic close packed CCP are the most efficient with a packing efficiency of about 74%. However, some empty spaces or voids always remain between the particles. Now let's see some of the imperfections of solids. No solid is perfect. Tiny errors in the arrangement of solids are called defects. A vacancy defect is when an atom is missing. An interstitial defect occurs when an extra atom is in the lattice. Scotchy and Frenkel defects ionic solids and change properties like density and conductivity. Some of the electrical and magnetic properties. Based on electrical behavior, solids are classified as conductors like copper, which have free electrons, semiconductors like silicon, which conduct under certain conditions, insulators like wood or rubber, which resist the flow of electricity. Solids also have magnetic properties. Diamagnetic properties are weakly repelled, paramagnetic ones are slightly attracted, and ferromagnetic materials like iron are strongly attracted and can retain magnetism. So, crystals forming electronics, running polished metal, solids are far more rigid blocks of matter. Their internal structure and arrangement decides whether they shine, conduct, or shatter. By understanding the solid state, we uncover the science behind everything from gemstones to smartphones and learn how chemistry builds the world we live in. Thank you.